What's Windows S operating system? Windows S, which is a specific edition of the Microsoft Windows operating system. Windows 10 S, formerly known as Windows 10 S Mode, is a streamlined and more secure version of Windows 10 that is designed for education and business users. It is similar to Windows 10 Pro or Home, but with some restrictions on the types of applications that can be installed. In Windows 10 S, users can only download and install apps from the Microsoft Store. This helps to keep the system more secure and prevents users from accidentally downloading malicious software. Additionally, Windows 10 S is optimized for performance, which means it can run on lower-end hardware than a typical Windows 10 installation. However, the trade-off is that some advanced features may not be available in Windows 10 S. It's worth noting that Microsoft has announced that Windows 10 S will be replaced by a new version called Windows 11 in the future. Question: how to get Windows Live Messenger? Answer: Windows Live Messenger, aka MSN Messenger, is a messaging application that was discontinued by Microsoft in 2013, so it is no longer available to official download or use. If you are looking for an alternative messaging application for Windows 10 S, you can use the built-in messaging app called Messaging or download the Microsoft Teams app from the Microsoft Store. The messaging app allows you to send and receive text messages, as well as manage your conversations from your computer. Microsoft Teams, on the other hand, is a more comprehensive collaboration tool that allows you to chat, call, video conference, and share files with other users. It is designed for businesses and education users, but it can also be used for personal communication. To download these apps, go to the Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 S device, search for the app you want, and click the Get or Install button to download and install it. Question: how to shift Windows S? Answer: to shift from Windows 10 S to a full version of Windows 10, you can use the Switch Out of S Mode feature that is built into Windows 10 S. Here's how to do it. 1. Go to Settings by clicking on the Start menu and then selecting the gear icon. 2. Click on Update and Security. 3. Click on Activation in the left-hand menu. 4. Look for the Go to the Store to switch to Windows 10 Home or Go to the Store to switch to Windows 10 Pro section, depending on which edition you want to switch to. 5. Click on the Go to the Store link. 6. Follow the instructions to switch out of S Mode and upgrade to the full version of Windows 10. Note that once you switch out of S Mode, you cannot go back to Windows 10 S. However, you will have the ability to install and run any app or program that is compatible with Windows 10. Additionally, switching out of S Mode may require you to purchase a license for the full version of Windows 10 if you are using a device that came with Windows 10 S pre-installed.